Meet the all-new K1800, electric and easy to use with more power and portability. Simply hook up, turn on, and wash. The K1800 generates 1800 psi of true pressure cleaning power. Use it to restore your home's exterior, your patio furniture, fences, or garage doors, anything that needs a deep clean. KÄRCHER. Cleaner, quicker. The lightweight and portable K1800 has power for deep cleaning, an assortment of quick connect nozzles, a removable detergent tank, and durable all-metal hose connections. With oversized wheels, all on a heavy-duty frame. You operate the on-off switch by foot, and the quiet electric motor turns off when you stop spraying. When you're done, everything stores on board. The cord on the handle, and a handy storage bin holds the hose, spray gun, or whatever you need. The handle even folds for compact storing. With KÄRCHER, you get the best power for your dollar and a superior 3-year best-in-class warranty. For even more convenience, you can add hose extensions, surface cleaners, wash brushes, or foaming soap applicators to give you even more versatility. KÄRCHER pressure washers give you the power to complete projects quickly so your home looks like new again. KÄRCHER makes a difference.
It's time for a new kind of clean. KÄRCHER Clean. Now the power of pressure washing is in your hands.
Yeah, I just pull a little bit like this.
It trails along and doesn't tip over.
I've got a power washer that's a couple thousand PSI, and this thing just smokes it.
Really nice to be able to adjust from low to high, depending on the situation.
The Dirt Blaster attachment, it really blasts it. It steps it up quite a lot.
Meet the KÄRCHER Follow Me electric pressure washer. It's lightweight and highly maneuverable, making cleaning easy and efficient. With oversized rear wheels and steerable front-mounted wheels, it easily follows as you clean over and around most obstacles and surfaces. Along with the wheels, the 35-foot power cord and 15-foot high-pressure hose let you clean up to 7,500 square feet without interrupting your work to move or reposition the power washer. Getting started is a snap. Quick connect fittings on hoses and attachments make it quick, easy, and secure. The Vario Power Spray Wand lets you adjust the pressure by twisting the barrel of the wand. The Dirt Blaster Spray Wand increases the effective cleaning power by up to 50%, and both use up to 80% less water. The patented KÄRCHER nozzle works in tandem with the non-corrosive, maintenance-free pump for unmatched deep cleaning efficiency. The onboard detergent tank is convenient and has a wide mouth for easy filling. The top of the Follow Me stores the spray wands, power cord, and hose when not in use. And the Follow Me is light enough to easily carry by its included handle.
This technology circulates water around the motor, which lowers the operating temperatures. It also improves performance and prolongs motor life by up to 5 times.